In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two powerful platforms, HoneyBook and QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of a creative team, choosing the right tool can make all the difference in streamlining your operations. So let's dive in and break it down so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. First, let's explore client and project management. HoneyBook offers an all-in-one solution that stands out by seamlessly integrating client interaction with project tracking. It's designed to simplify your workflow with everything in one place, making it particularly appealing if you're managing multiple projects and need a cohesive view. On the flip side, QuickBooks primarily focuses on basic project management functionalities. It can handle some level of client and project management, but for more extensive features, you might find yourself needing additional integrations or third-party tools. Now let's talk about automation and workflows. HoneyBook shines with its strong workflow automation, perfect for creative industries that need to tailor processes from lead capture to project completion. It allows you to set up automated processes that can save you time and reduce manual errors, particularly useful if you have repetitive tasks. QuickBooks, meanwhile, centers its automation around accounting. It's great if your primary need is financial automation, helping you manage invoices, expenses, and other fiscal transactions efficiently. When it comes to scheduling and booking, HoneyBook includes inbuilt client scheduling tools. This is a great feature if your work requires coordinating with clients who need to book your time. It can handle everything from meetings to project consultations directly within the platform. In contrast, QuickBooks offers limited scheduling capabilities, mainly focusing on internal time tracking rather than client-facing scheduling. With proposals and contracts, HoneyBook provides built-in templating and signing features. You can create, send, and sign proposals within the platform, allowing for a seamless experience from start to finish. This can be incredibly handy if you're frequently managing contracts. QuickBooks does not include these features, so you might need to look elsewhere if this is a critical need for your business. If financial reporting and accounting are your top priorities, QuickBooks is well known for its advanced and comprehensive offerings. From in-depth financial reports to detailed insights, QuickBooks maintains a strong lead in this area, making it a go-to choice for many accountants and business owners. HoneyBook, on the other hand, provides more basic financial reporting, sufficient for smaller businesses or those who may not need extensive accounting detail. Looking at invoices and payments, HoneyBook makes invoicing easy with a focus on aesthetics and branding, ensuring that your invoices reflect your brand identity. QuickBooks provides more options and financial depth, which could be essential if you require more detailed invoicing systems. With integrations, HoneyBook connects with various CRM, calendar, and automation tools like Zapier, providing flexibility for creative workflows. QuickBooks boasts an extensive list of finance and e-commerce app integrations, perfect for businesses heavily relying on financial applications. Ease of use is another important consideration. HoneyBook is known for its intuitive interface, tailored for creative users, offering an easy learning curve. In contrast, QuickBooks might feel more complex, given its breadth of features, but it's incredibly powerful once you're accustomed to it. Finally, let's touch on support and community. HoneyBook offers personalized and educational support, helping you along your journey with tailored assistance. QuickBooks is bolstered by strong documentation and forums, providing a robust community if you prefer self-guided learning through a vast repository of resources. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of HoneyBook and QuickBooks. By considering these aspects, you can better assess which platform aligns with your business needs, ensuring you make a well-informed choice.